Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I will guide you through logging in the UBL digital platform through any web browser step by step. First, open your browser, be it Chrome, Safari, anything. Now navigate to your search engine and go to www.ubldigital.com. On the home page, tap the login button, usually in the top right corner, and choose personal banking or corporate banking depending on your account type. Here, you will be taken to the login form. Enter your login ID and your password. If you cannot remember your password, simply tap Forgot your password to retrieve it. If it's your first time logging in or you are on a new device, UBL will send an OTP to your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP to confirm. Once you are in, you'll be able to view account balances, pay bills, transfer funds, and manage cards and more. But yes, do not share your login credentials and enable biometric login in the mobile app for quicker future access. And that's how you log into the UBL Digital through your browser. It's secure, simple, and works from anywhere. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.